Oh, yeah? Tell me more about that.
Oh, give me 1 second. I'll be right back!
Naomi! Are you okay?
My teeth! Uh-oh. There's gotta be something around here. Hey, that old lady's got teeth. I'm on it. Yoo-hoo!
How?
Is somebody here? I sure hope these things fit. Ugh. Oh. Feels pretty good. So sorry about that, David. Uh-huh. Oh, wait. Hold on.
Ugh.
Anyway.
I guess I can forget about that.
So nice to be able to treat myself, you know? Oh, I know. All I do is file and paint nails every day. Am I appreciated? No. I've got the perfect color for you. It's gonna look great. It'll complement your skin tone. Oh yeah, that's looking good. This is some of my best work. Seriously, this should be in an art gallery. You gotta have some bling. I mean, what's the point otherwise? This is taking a while. You can't rush perfection, sweetie. My work here is done. What have you done? I don't believe it! I know, they're stunning. Are you kidding me? It's awful. I'm so upset. Butler!
You yelled, ma'am.
Where did he come from? Look at my nails! Do something!
Is this the rascal who did this atrocity, ma'am? You're out of here.
I'm going somewhere my work is appreciated. The clown college is down the street.
Some people. Don't worry, ma'am. I can fix this.
Let's do this.
First, we need to remove these, things. That's more like it. Now I need a little help. This gadget will make everything better.
What is it?
Prepare to be amazed, ma'am. First, we need to select an image. Then it can be printed on your nails.
Wow, that's so cool! Let's give it a try.
I'll press this button.
Whoa! That's amazing! I love it! Do the rest! Isn't technology amazing? I feel like I'm living in the future. I could do this all day.
I'm starting to regret this. Huh? I'm awake.
This is the best manicure I've ever had. And it's all thanks to you.
I think that's it.
Wow! They look so cute!
They look beautiful, ma'am.
And to think I was gonna fire you.
Wait. What? What did you say?
Hi, I'm here for a manicure.
We're closed.
I never get to have nice things. Ooh, what's that? Looks like I might have a manicure after all.
It's mine. Don't touch it.
Who is that guy? Oh well. Hey, free gum. Maybe today isn't so bad after all. I just wanted to look good. It's so unfair. Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. I could use the gum foil. I think this might work. I'll fold the foil over, and then I'll use the scissors to cut it. I'll start by making a cut on one side. I want to remove a small section. If I open it up, it'll look like a love heart. This will be my template. I'll hold it over my nail. Then I'll paint it with nail polish. It's so easy. And there's no mess. Now I'll carefully remove the foil. Wow, it looks great! I have fancy nails after all. That was such a good idea. I'm so smart. Ew, that tastes horrible. I guess I spoke too soon. I'm so glad no one saw that. But at least my nails look good.
On you go. Can't you walk like everyone else? I like to make an entrance. Can I come in? Something doesn't feel right. What? What's that smell? It's new aftershave. I smell food. No food allowed. But… this is gonna hurt. You. Ooh. What happened? That seemed a little unnecessary. My snacks! Oh no! I knew it! That makes me mad. It's not what it looks like. I can totally explain. Seriously? That is so annoying! This game is dumb. But I need some help. A hat? It's better than nothing. Oh, I have an idea. I'll hide the sweets in the hat. This is so smart. That should do it. Let's go. Hello, friendly security person. You're not tricking me, are you? Nope. Just want to see a movie. Okay. You can go in. Yes! I did it! Oh, a message from Mandy. 30 minutes? I better get going. I'll need this.
Betty's still asleep? It's the perfect pranking opportunity. Everybody wants more hair, right? Well, maybe not here. Oh no! I think she's gonna wake up. Huh? Achoo! Whew, that was close. And I can't forget to take away these bad boys. That hair is staying put. Ha ha ha! Oh! I really needed that nap. I haven't slept that well in ages. Huh? What's on my lip? Is there something on my face? Oh, you've gotta be kidding me! It's okay. I'll just shave it off. Where's my razor? Ugh. Wait. I have an idea. Did I lose a pair of scissors around here? Oh! My little box of goodies. I've gotta have something helpful in here. My eyebrow threader! No reason why it can't work on my lip. Let's give it a go. Feels like the hair's coming off. Yes! My skin is so dry today. Is that Naomi's moisture cream? Time for a formula change! Gah! Can't forget about the chest. The skin's so sensitive over there. Oh, this is about to get good. I guess I'd better get ready for tonight. Huh? What's coming out of my robe? Chest hair? But how did I… Ah! How did this happen? I'm really looking forward to my hair appointment. Ooh, I better scan in. This hairstylist is so exclusive. They don't let just anybody in. That's why it's perfect for me. Lexi, so good to see you. You too. Thanks for fitting me in. Let me get you a seat. Robotic seats is the latest thing. Oh, fancy. It's like being at an amusement park. I just hope I don't throw up. Okay, what are we doing today? I feel like something different. Maybe this'll help. Not my style. Nope. Oh, that's different. But I'm not sure. There must be something you like. Oh, this is nice. That's the one. Excellent choice. Let me get my tool. I'm ready. You're gonna love this. Let's get to work. This gadget will braid your hair. I just have to run your hair through it. And it does all the hard work. Now I'll tie off the ends. It really suits you. Now for the rest of your hair. What would I do without this? It saves so much time. Wow, it looks so good. Now let's add some sparkle. I'm so excited. All I do is press this handle and gems attach to your hair. It's so stylish and glamorous. I mean, diamonds are a girl's best friend. Wow, you're a genius. I don't know how you do it. It's perfect. Thanks so much. I'm glad you like it. Hey, what's going on in there? Wow! That's so cool! I can't wait to show it off. She's so lucky. I could never afford to have my hairstyle in a salon like this. Huh? I think I have an idea. It's time for a new look. I need these clothes pegs. First, I'll sit under the clothes dryer. Then I'll take a section of my hair and wrap it around the dryer. I need to make sure it's tight. Then I'll use the pegs to hold it in place. Now for the other side. This is so simple. Now I need to wait. I think that's long enough. I'll remove the pegs and pull my hair free. I've got lovely flowing curls. And I didn't need to go to an overpriced salon. Oh, hi Hazel. What do you think? I love it. Look at my hair. Wow, who styled it?